Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for Taskrabbit. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off notifications for Taskrabbit. You no longer want to receive deals. How do you actually go ahead about turning those off? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is hop onto Taskrabbit. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, you're going to click on Profile. Now from here, you're going to click on Notifications. And this is where you can toggle on or off the different notifications. So if you toggle it off, this is what the off notifications are going to look like. But if you want to go ahead and turn on notifications, all you've got to do is toggle it back on. Now, in addition to that, you could actually go into the settings of your iPhone, scroll down, click on notifications, scroll down even more, find Taskrabbit. But from this page here, you can simply just toggle on or off different notification types. So you can either turn off notifications for task updates, you can turn off email notifications, or you can turn on or off push notifications as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications for Taskrabbit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.